Introverts often navigate the world differently, finding solace in the comfort of deep, meaningful relationships rather than vast networks of acquaintances. This preference stems from their introspective nature, which shapes their social interactions. While the extroverted paradigm tends to glorify the sheer number of connections, introverts revel in the richness of fewer, quality interactions that nourish their souls. For introverts, a gathering of close friends offers a space of warmth and understanding. In these intimate settings, they engage in thoughtful dialogues, where ideas flow freely and emotions are laid bare. This sense of safety allows them to express their true selves without the weight of social expectation, cultivating a connection that feels both rewarding and liberating. Each interaction becomes an opportunity for shared laughter, empathy, and deep understanding that transcends superficial exchanges. Such relationships are built on a foundation of trust and respect, where both individuals feel valued for who they are. Introverts thrive in environments where silence isn't awkward and pauses allow for reflection rather than pressure to fill the void. These moments become sacred, fostering bonds that are resilient and profound, proving that deep connection is more fulfilling than the superficiality of a crowded social calendar. In a society that often prioritizes networking, introverts offer a unique lens through which to view relationships. They demonstrate that a handful of close friends can provide more emotional sustenance than multitudes of acquaintances. With every genuine conversation exchanged, they weave memories that enrich their lives, inviting depth and authenticity into their experiences. Ultimately, the introverted preference for quality interaction serves to fulfill their emotional needs while building a sense of belonging. By being selective about their social circles, they forge relationships that resonate on a deeper level. This valuing of depth over breadth allows introverts to cultivate a fulfilling social life that aligns with their introspective nature, making every moment spent with trusted friends a treasure that elevates their life's journey. Through these meaningful bonds, they find a space to recharge, share their inner thoughts, and ultimately thrive.